Take this knife back to your quarters and kill them. Kill anyone who wants to kill you or harm the baby. After all the eating and drinking, they're surely fast asleep.
Why are you saying all this to me now?
I love you.